Welcome to our presentation on Cisco Meraki solutions for logistics and manufacturing. Explore cloud-managed Wi-Fi, software-defined wide area network, switching, and Meraki Vision cameras, all industrial Internet of Things ready and delivered by BTI Communications Group. The Meraki cloud-managed dashboard offers zero-touch access for Wi-Fi, software-defined wide area network, switching, and cameras. Industrial-grade MR, and cloud-managed Catalyst Wi-Fi supports warehouse management systems, and industrial Internet of Things devices and advanced robotics and automation. MX software-defined wide area network ensures secure multi-site connectivity. MS switching powers devices with power over Ethernet Plus. MV cameras provide artificial intelligence-driven analytics for safety and security, eliminating the need for network video recorders. BTI designs, procures, installs, commissions, integrates, and manages or co-manages Meraki solutions for logistics and manufacturing to ensure operational resiliency, cost savings, cybersecurity, and business continuity. For logistics and manufacturing, ABTI provided Meraki Unified, cloud-managed network, keeps all of your technology connected and communicating securely. This means 24/7 uptime of your equipment and the team that installs and manages or co-manages and maintains it all for a low fixed fee that eliminates overhead and complexity. In logistics and manufacturing, Cisco Meraki MR access points provide essential wireless connectivity. Wi-Fi 6 and 6E deliver multi-gigabit throughput. BTI is able to meet the needs of the most advanced robotic automation by designing your Meraki or Catalyst-powered Wi-Fi network with the gold standard Ekahau predictive and on-site testing tools. We will design and maintain your coverage to eliminate dead zones and proactively troubleshoot with you and your vendors to eliminate problems, often before they appear. Industrial Internet of Things and operational technology segmentation ensures secure operations, and seamless automated guided vehicle roaming supports autonomous navigation. Weatherproof access points extend coverage outdoors, all managed or co-managed from a single dashboard. Cisco Meraki MX software-defined wide area network offers secure, intelligent wide area network connectivity for logistics and manufacturing. It provides application-aware routing, dual wide area network failover, and operational technology/information technology segmentation. Integrated security features include intrusion detection system/intrusion prevention system and malware protection. Zero-touch deployment allows rapid, scalable implementation across distributed facilities, transforming wide area network infrastructure at a fraction of legacy costs. Paired with BTI project management and coordination, and you can expect to save 30 to 50% on your wide area network costs, get your circuits and backups installed and configured on time, and have options for managed or co-managed NOC, SOC, SIEM, and incident response, saving hundreds more per site every month. Cisco Meraki MS switches and Meraki-managed Catalyst switches provide a robust network foundation for logistics and manufacturing that are the gold standard in switching in 2026. They offer power over Ethernet Plus and power over Ethernet Plus Plus power, cloud-managed configuration, and operational technology/information technology, virtual local area network segmentation. With 802.1x port authentication, stacking, and integrated network topology, these switches ensure reliable, secure connectivity for all industrial devices, managed by BTI Communications Group. Cisco Meraki MV smart cameras enhance security and operational visibility in logistics and manufacturing. They offer cloud-managed video intelligence, eliminating network video recorder costs with on-camera storage. Built-in analytics provide motion heat maps and people counting. Continuous cloud-managed recording ensures 24/7 access, while instant search capabilities streamline incident investigations, all managed from a unified dashboard. BTI is a licensed commercial security integrator, with the experience and manufacturer partnerships to integrate and install your complete security system solution for compliance and security, including Meraki MV cameras, intrusion, door access control, visitor management, mustering, and environmental and safety monitoring solutions. If you're looking for a vendor to take over security system support and integrate Meraki MV cameras or network technology, you've finally found one that's a licensed expert with on-site and remote support available to you. Cisco Meraki, managed by BTI Communications Group, ensures a unified security posture across network layers. It provides operational technology/information technology access control, audit logging, and threat detection, meeting cyber insurance requirements. Features include advanced encryption standard 256 encryption, Meraki intrusion detection system/intrusion prevention system, and role-based access, protecting against breaches and ensuring compliance in logistics and manufacturing environments. Making all those features work to your advantage on day one and throughout the lifecycle of your Meraki relationship is a core managed service competency that BTI offers. At minimum, with BTI, you get complimentary Meraki solution design and consultation, competitive pricing, on-site and remote installation support. Afterward, available ongoing support can scale from time and material to fully managed or co-managed NOC, SOC, and SIEM services, as well as incident response and on-site support. BTI is more than a Meraki reseller to many logistics clients. We are a partner in success. Rather than you buying Meraki someplace else, contracting a consultant to design your network, paying a cable company to install your wires, and then holding the bag when one of them or a telco falls through or fails to perform, contact BTI for a simple, guaranteed, low-cost solution to all of that and more. Not only do we provide complimentary Ekahau design services and expertise for industrial RF design, we provide fixed cost, certified installation, and unified system integration. Our fixed-price delivery ensures zero variance, and our lifecycle managed services include post-deployment monitoring and support, guaranteeing operational results for logistics and manufacturing clients. BTI's Cisco Meraki deployments in logistics and manufacturing deliver 99.99% Wi-Fi uptime, 30-second wide area network failover, and 60% faster camera deployment. Financially, they reduce wide area network costs, eliminate network video recorder expenses, cut information technology labor by 30 to 50%, and prevent costly downtime, ensuring operational and financial efficiency. Request a no-cost Cisco Meraki network assessment from BTI Communications Group. Benefit from a discovery call, site assessment, Ekahau design preview, and a custom proposal. Ensure your network infrastructure is reliable, secure, and scalable. Connect with BTI for a comprehensive solution tailored to your logistics and manufacturing needs.